Nongshong Shnong Shnong Rwiang bala ajin Christian da Mekhle Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association ke pelong ya ke jingyalang berkinong penyat jongka Karkhana Shri Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited baneklan halor ki Dawa jongka Shnong ki Dawa ba Kongsan ki kenthop ya ke jaka ajin smar ke skol ka umdi ke Biang ke jing ai kam ai jam ke Biang bat kiwi ke Shnong gala dawaru ya ke jurip lang halor ke long jingman jongka Mariang.
Dalaman pencila di payah dengan tanya sa. Selagi yang mau buang kayu pun yang mau aja pak.
They said that they don't want. Whatever you said, I explained. But for them, they said that medical camp, health mela, they no this one. Kini mitra kami yung panbu doktor pula so. This one is.
You need a doctor for 24 years.
Small center, medical health centers, if you do that. For them, is this stand is strongly.
Dalaman pencila di payah dengan tanya sa.
Kaba naklunjungi kadaba Shnong nga Dawa ya kini kimat bagi sa ay kopi sa ka factory Rwiang dekat kum kaji akan jungi ha kane ka meeting pementaran kad bat kinostre jong company nakaling jong factory kam sim akan syai yangi nagni ka Rwiang haba dai bat ki ponya du ka pon ban ko handu ka pon ka ba drew dai nakling company ka Shuong ba ngin sa le kini kaji Dawa ka jungi dai parking parsim meta kan ong bangin le no ikane ko ka khia bo Kongsan ka ba ngabu kamat ka baningkong ba kade ba ngidawa na ka factory ba kade ban bu yak we ka shop center po ju ka Shnor Rwiang ki namar po shno bo thaw jing paton wat ka we ka school ru te nakle ju ka Shnor Dawa na company ba kade ban bu ru yak school po ka shung jungin ba bangi sim jing ki khon jungi menta baro ka bangi fa school nya fa shabar ju ka Shnor Rwiang ka ba lak ta sha ka jung jing sep jung ki mi ki pa baro kam ta me ka shung ga thaw teka poin ke balai ru ke Dawa ke jungi nak kene ka company ba kene ban Biang yaki umbam umdi ban penio maman nak tloyeng ngin mama shu ban bu menta namar ba nak jing pentu jakre jogene ke factory ni fly ash ke balawan ra ngi bangi ta shubu stok ka haying ru kan la shu bandi namar ba ke jing penjakre jogene fly ash kumbalong kisem ke baladep ke tungkam ka tungjam kalong ke ba itorti hadu kata-kata kitang syutung kat bamon la kibe kat bamon Reka jingkwa jungi kada ba Shnong ru menta ba katungkam kom jam kada balong ka basai aba ngitungkam ru de balong da ka jingtho ka basai aba ngi be ru ngi be da ka basai namar ba aba ka jingsu ka jing tadaru kada balong ka basai ken ha ka ba ngitungkam tungjam ka company kada ban le khoj ya baro ki sau kun jong kane ka factory kada ban kularu ya kane ba kide ban le ban don kita ki storage ban bread ki jakhe baro ba mi ne factory eklen jongi kadoba Shnong ngidang i4 ki pakide banle ekane but kadoba Shnong kala bu kejing tepat ke factory ba ya kene kimat ki Dawa jongi kine ban poi hak chikan bat umalik ada kaling ju malik musim lawan ban eklen makmat bat ngi ya kene kejing Dawa ke jongi ngam la ban pedeng yano bawan ban ong ba ande ban sim kejing ba kli na uta unu tre jong u naris goyal ande ngi kwa ba naris goyal wan hi khmat ba kadoba Shnong ban keren hi dalam jong utrai yakini kimat Dawa kicungi to habede bat kene ka jingwan jong ne I arun jong kane factory Rwiang ba ka jingwan jong ui hak ne ka por merki kren ha pedeng jongi ka darbar ba ki kamila de ba ngade umalik te sipang u kamila de ba ngade umalik sipang ade ngamde umalik tek ba pelong ngi ka Dawa Shnor ka basolongo adu kata-kata sipang ba ine di malik da u naris goyal sipang ba ngade u warun ba de umalik jukni factory te pelongo ngi ka Dawa Shnor adu menta ba kane kejing kren jungil tentang kampus CA to habai dei berkaneru kadoba Shnong kala Dawa ya ka company ke di banwan ra alang yu director ha kami cingkra bengkar barjung naris goyal bandup tip namar hadu menta nginem tip director jong kane ka factory hai local director namar ba ngimpat tip hadu menta te kaneru ngi Dawa kadoba Shnong ba ngi di banwan ra ya local director tenekling kadoba Shnong kala de shine adu ki media ki ada bro ka tarik ba ada malik 41 ha kami cingkran ha ka Dawa Shnong Rwiang kadoba Shnong ka continue be ban khang shuai ke factory anda umalik lawan ke jekran kata yang saya perkat na kumui pat kalenti
ni manjur bat ni la manjur hida barok ke Shnong ya kaba min pentri kam yakini kam ba company kan le yakini kam barok bat ni dawaru ba kumbang ila bu kan ke jing thok ba lakum no utrai jong kan company un pun urlong ya ni kimat jing ya kren ke jungi hapo jong ka lai pru sungi ke ba ila yo ya kaman bu
our cup of tea. Because running an educational institution requires a lot of paraphernalia, which is not possible at all, and it was not even given any commitment at the time of public hearing, to the best of my knowledge. I have gone through the public hearing matters. It was only the promotion of educational activities, which we have taken a little forward during our initial days, and even after that we've distributed school bags, we've distributed bottles to the children, we've had some awareness programs here, whereby the judges had come here. We have all those photographs which we can give it to you, which substantiates that yes, certain type of activities were undertaken. Now considering the growth here, the social economic growth in the in this area, Rwiang, and adjoining areas, people have really flourished here, and their children are going to good schools now. So the basic thing that the school is required to be built, it is something which does not augur to our chapter. Villagers have always been pretty friendly with us for the last 10 years. Whatever problems have arisen, we have immediately solved it. This time, they simply came on the 13th of March with a huge crowd stating that shut down the industry. And they came and they create a ruckus type of a situation where all my staff people, they were all scared. And then the plant was shut down. And the plant is shut down since 13th of March. It's almost 3 weeks now. And there was no official intimation to us that we have to shut down the industry. But anyhow, we could not resist. We had to shut down, so we shut down the industry. Now, after the industry was shut down, we were trying to contact the Basti people to know why this shutdown has been asked for. And ultimately, till today, we haven't received anything official, but unofficially, we had a meeting today on my request. We just wanted to know what are the reasons for which the industry has been shut down. So it was quite, it was beyond our comprehensive power to understand why the industry was shut down. We felt without rhyme or reason, these things have been shut down. But when we asked the headmen and the village people, they could not reply as to why the industry was shut down. And ultimately, with the help of definitely a few friends of theirs, they got to give us the reasons. And the reasons are beyond the commitments made during public hearing. So there are most of the things which were committed during the public hearing has been attained, and particularly there was a big commitment for the pollution plant, which constitutes and comprises electrostatic precipitators for the power plant. We've got three such precipitators which controls the total smoke of the power plant. Then we have made a huge investment in the public this thing, pollution control device, which has costed us more than 3.5 crores of rupees. And thereafter, time and again, we maintain the pollution plants by replacing the filter bags, and the same process is still on. If anybody wants to examine, come and see, they can come and inspect what activities we are performing to maintain the pollution control. So now, whatever the demands they have put, some are really very practical, which we will definitely look into it and try to analyze. And we would request them to come sit with us, have a one-to-one talk as to how things can be put into action, curbed in a systematic manner with proper budgeting. And if it suits our end, we will definitely go for it. There are certain demands which are beyond that also, beyond the public hearing, for which we will definitely look into it, which will benefit everybody, especially the Basti people. So I'm still at a loss why the industry was shut down, and now we will try to request them to give us the permission to restart, and so that one by one we can take up all the matters related to this. And I think things should move on smoothly. And if they still insist, no, the industry will not run here, then we'll have to wind up and we will shut down the industry and we will go away. That is the last resort. If we have to take recourse to that, there will be no alternate but to go back. So now it all depends upon the Basti people and the administration as to what they want from us. And we are hopeful that it is a very small, trivial things which can be sorted out at their level only. And if given a chance, we will definitely try to solve the problems and to settle the issue with them. Though there is no such issue, we have all the alternates to curb all type of pollution, which we have been doing. We have been maintaining that, but because of certain reasons, there was a lack of, what should we say, not lack of supervision, lack of outside conditions which are beyond our control, not assisted by the people of this area, this district, for the transportation. So we had to, there was no alternate. We could not manage the way we were managing. So our fly ash that used to go to the cement industry regularly, right from the silo where we collect the dust, we put it straight to the trucks, and the truck used to go straight away. There was no pollution as such. Because of the transportation problem, we could not transport that, and that created a little problem, and which is controllable. So we will try our level best to cope up with all the conditions, and let us hope for the best.